Hey YouTube, it's Sean. Hey, I making this video to thank somebody for sending me a part. And I happen to have right here is a Craftsman, and it's a what it is what do you call it? Generac. I can't even think. It's a Generac engine, Generac generator. Okay. 4,000 watt. This says 4,200, but 4,000. And it was a good little generator, and until the following happened. And I'll show you if you can get in there. There you go. You can see the valve spring retainer. All right, let me go out and get the one that was in there if I can find it. All right, folks, let's move right on over here. And, there's the gasoline valve. I took that out of it so it wouldn't get so hot back there and rot it so bad, because it was in good shape. And I actually have a new one, but why not just... And there's the valve springs. Incidentally, this thing's been apart for a long time because I couldn't... Actually, this valve spring doesn't go to it. These go to it. Because I could not find the part that I needed to cure the problem. Hopefully I can find the dumb thing. There it is. There's at least half of it. Where's the other half, huh? See, I took another engine apart to try and see if the retainers were the same. See, that's out of a Briggs. This has been years ago. And then this is out of, no, excuse me, that's not out of a Briggs. This is out of the actual generator that we're working on, I do believe. And these are out of the Briggs, so you can't use those. And that gasket don't go. Alright, so this is the parts that we need to put the whole thing back together. But years ago there was a recall. I mean, real long years ago there was a recall on this generator. The 4,000 and the 5,000 that I know of, because that happens. The valve keeper breaks in half. And I've seen this happen multiple times. Hang on, pardon the shake. I gotta set you up here. If I can. There we go. That'll be less shaky. Sorry about that. I've seen this happen multiple times. Years ago, I fixed one just like it that had the same identical problem, but I could never find another one of those. You can't order them online. In fact, back then you couldn't order them online. This has been about 3 years ago, more. 4 years. Anyway, you could not get one of these then, and you still can't. Well, a buddy on YouTube there, a guy that I've been watching a long time, and he fixes generators and does a very good job, had one of these because he went ahead and bought the valve replacement kit, and it replaces all the valves, and it has the actual keepers like a car has in it. All right, now I did one of those back in the day, and because I couldn't find one of these. Well, now that I have one, I think I'm going to give it a try to actually put it back together with the stock keepers. So that's what I'm going to do, because it busted. It busted it right in two. Now, I don't really know what kind of material they make them out of, but not very good apparently. Alright, so sometime I'm going to go back there and put it together and drag it out first, and we'll see if we can bring you back for that part, because it is burning hot out here and I'm getting out. Alright guys, love y'all. I'm going to leave a link to his channel, and he fixes all kinds of small engines, so go check him out. His name is James Condon. Go check him out. And hopefully that doesn't happen ever again. This is the second generator I've dealt with that happened. He fixed one, and he had that had the same problem, and he had an extra keeper, so he sent it to me. And that's how I got that keeper, so I'm going to attempt to use it. Put it back stock. There's the rocker arm off of it. Alright. So I'm going to show you the actual generator. Well, actually I already did. But all that stuff right there, not all of it, most of it, fits up in there, and we'll see if we can get it to run again one of these days. I'm not real interested in it right now because I got too many fish to fry. Medically, I got appointments after appointments trying to get help. But anyway, you guys take care of yourselves, and I love y'all. Thumbs up. God bless. Bye-bye.